Hi guys, we are back with another video. Good, say hi. Oh, yeah, we're here with birds, yeah. These birds are literally right here. They're just cruising. We're just protecting them. We're gonna take them back to their nest really soon. Anyway, just giving you guys a little update.
Wait.
And I hope you've seen our post. That picture we made. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me in the garden working. Yeah. So we have some birds here. Wait, yeah. Right there. I'm just sweeping them out. Wait, how do I change this? I forgot.
Nah, bro, no, you can't. You can't. You just.
No, don't get it. Don't hold me.
Look at them, you can literally see them. I'm literally alive. So we ain't faking, guys.
Guys, so hard to see them, but
Yeah, so we're just enjoying life. Yeah, we're gonna return them back to their nests like really soon. Probably straight after this video. Anyway, guys, we love you. KK Brothers, like, subscribe if you want to go quick on YouTube. And you and your boys are out. Peace. Right, what am I doing? And your boys are out. Peace.